Welcome to HaleHub, your one-stop shop for all things health and wellness. We're here to guide you on a journey of discovery, unearthing the latest insights, tips, and strategies to help you live a vibrant, fulfilling life. Our channel is brimming with nutritious recipes to tantalize your taste buds, workout routines to get your heart pumping, mental health advice to soothe your soul, and mindfulness practices to calm your mind. At HaleHub, our mission is to empower you. We want you to prioritize your well-being and thrive in every aspect of your life. Whether you're on a quest to boost your energy, reach your fitness goals, or enhance your overall health, we've got the tools to help you succeed. So why wait? Subscribe now and step onto a transformative path towards a healthier, happier you. With HaleHub, you're not just watching videos, you're embarking on a journey of self-improvement. Embrace the change, embrace the journey, embrace HaleHub. Welcome aboard.